welcome to the Fresh Friday podcast episode. I'm running with, this is Pims, and I'm running with Anya, the Miss, the host of the Fresh Friday podcast. Ayoyo, Ayeye, you know how we kick it. And we got our special guest today. We're at the GTS Gatelapele, TS, the printing expert. We got the director himself, Thabang. As you can introduce yourself and stuff like that.
Yeah. My name is Thabang Molekwa, and I'm from Lephalale. I've been staying here for over like 20 years and stuff like that. So went school, go Bosveld and everything like that. So yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah, that's very exciting. So I would like to understand, with the GTS Gatelapele TS printing expert, all what you want Lephalale, because Lephalale is a mining town. So how did you get inspired for you to even think of opening such a project like printing, like technology? Like, what's the excitement over there?
Yeah, the first time when I started opening printing, I started by looking at the basic needs of businesses, you know. Like, since we can see that we are in a mining place and everything like that. So you look at the basic needs that the place actually need. So what I actually do, I do printing of signs and banners and boards and everything. So in the mines, they also need signs. So in order for you to see the hazards and everything, you need signs. So I looked at stuff like that, and for also businesses as well. In order for you to show that you are a business, you need a sign. So like that was like the first things that I was looking at when I was like starting this business that I started.
That's very inspiring, even for someone your age, like growing up around you and seeing you blossom from where you started and your interest in technology. That's very exciting, you know. So what's your vision with the whole, like, what's your vision, like, not even locally, like, what's your vision with the, what do you feel you can implement in the printing space that can change, or something new that you feel like you want to? Because with your alien side, it's quite different. There's painting there, I'm seeing helmets, there's structure, so it's more artistic.
Yeah.
Know? So it's not like your normal printing shop that you get that is more formal, you know.
There's a table there, people it's formal.
Yeah.
Like you can even use this space to shoot a lot of things in here because it's quite like creative. So what's your whole drive behind it? Like,
I love art and I love stuff like that, and my girlfriend, she's also an artist, so sometimes when we're just chilling, she does the painting and everything. So yeah, so the art, is where it comes from. So yeah.
So your partner is you work with your partner, she's also...
Yeah, she's my business partner and like she's my partner.
Nice. And these pictures, since I've gotten here, they've caught my attention.
Yeah.
I want the story behind these pictures.
Yeah. On that picture there is my granddad from my dad's side, and his dad and his brother, right?
Wow.
So.
And how old is that? That looks like 19.
Yeah, that's
50 something, 40 something, somewhere there.
It's probably 1930 something.
Wow.
Yeah, 1930.
with the vintage vibes.
Yeah.
No.
And that's probably you.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, definitely. That's quite dope. When you say jump, like, I like this because it's more vintage and it tells the story.
Yes, that's a story on its own. And also the name.
Yeah.
Gatelapele.
Yeah.
Gatelapele.
Yeah.
Why Gatelapele?
I actually got this name from my mom, right? So like the time when I started thinking about business and everything, I told her like the whole story about like the type of business that I want to do and why I want to do it here and everything like that. So she told me, you know what, keep doing what you need to do and you should keep moving forward, right? So this is where she started everything. And then like when I started trying to register for names and everything, I gave her the piece of paper, and then she wrote down a couple of names. And this name was actually the name that I actually got. So yeah.
Thank you, moms.
Yeah, thank you. Because his mom is quite an entrepreneur. Because I grew up, when I was in high school, I was actually eating from his mom's place in town.
Yeah.
So we'd get in high school.
That's actually where I was chilling
This picture.
there.
This one. Because it's right.
And look at the Sprite and the whole, like, this is not the old logo Sprite. This is the old school
original logo. Yeah.
Oh, this is there in town.
Yeah.
oh, this is the spot. So he used to eat there. So his mom is quite. So I get that he got it from there. And we push each in terms of being more creative and about it, because you have to expand in where you come from. All right. Oh, this is quite dope.
Different ventures.
Oh
Wow.
man! So I would like to understand something. So with the bike, I can see this bike here. So I would like to, I want to go to see are you into bikes or what's popping with the bike stuff? 'Cause I see helmets here. What's popping with that?
Yeah, I know bike life is just a culture that I've been ever since primary. I've been riding bikes and everything like that. So bike life has always been like actually like a place where I have like peace of mind. Like when I'm on a bike, I feel better.
You're a bike person.
Yeah.
But you are more of a four-wheel type of thing.
Yeah, I'm off the street a little.
Of the street, but that's quite dope, because the name itself, it says a lot, because it's printing, it's technology, and within kids which are GT. So the TS is for
Thabang Sam, which is my name.
Oh, yeah, I didn't get that.
Thabang Sam.
Oh, thabang Sam.
Yeah.
I thought you said sandwiches.
Sandwiches.
No, not that. So, because I've even seen you got involved with a lot of projects from home, like even from the Gatelapele Film Festival, you assisted me, you came there, you did a workshop, which I appreciate you for that, because not anyone will. Oh, I'm going to so we can carry on. So we good like this.
Yeah, I'm good like that.
No, where we?
You were on the Gatelapele Film
Yeah,
Festival.
because you assisted me with the Gatelapele Film Festival, and I applaud you for that, because he's one of the young guys, entrepreneurs and guys who's pushing something, but it's not all about himself, it's all about development in the hood, because what he did there, we were from Marapong, which is a local school from around here. We brought them there to the festival, and we had a workshop outside, which he came in his own time. He set up his equipment, which is here, so he gave some sort of a workshop to the kids.
Nice.
And some kids were there, because I was talking to the kids after the show. Some kids were thrilled by just seeing magic, like someone printing something from our keeper and us printer that. So that thing is training at its own. So there's some project there on ideal, and is there others that you have done, that you have locally or somewhere else that you put your hand in?
Yeah, we actually had something that was happening at the summit as well, where like we were actually showing people, but older people, which is like people from Eskom, Exaro, and stuff like that. We were showing them our production and how we move and how we do everything within like the printing and everything. So that was like the last event that we did.
You know how old is he? Like I'm fascinated because the way he talks, that's being smart. Like for what you have to, because some people don't understand, to have a dream and to build it and to see it to come to life. Because right now you have people who say like, I trust this person in terms of printing, because right now you are an expert. But at first you started as like you were doing research and you grabbed there and there, but right now you trained yourself with the equipment and everything. Now you can produce this and you have your own warehouse where you come. Because there's this other online thing. I saw something which was quite fascinating. They were inside here, there were guys here, they were rapping. There was a workshop that was going on, and there were guys playing music. I'd like to understand that was a very creative thing that I saw that picked my attention. Like, what was the whole drive behind that? Who came up with that idea? And because it was something I felt like it was something new. It's in a workshop, and people DJing, there's someone rapping, and it's visual and it's there. So how did it came about?
Being honest, it came out like it was crazy, right? Like we were just chilling outside, and I had some projects to do inside, and I was chilling with my DJ friends, right? And one of them had a peach, and I was like, bros, let's go in and let's DJ and work, right? And shoot it and see what happens. So we did that for a while.
No, because that was very. But the first time I saw people are printing T-shirts, are actually doing the cuts, and the people, batala sound and some are rapping. So there's some. It's something on its own vibe, and to come up with something like that, I saw it was very beautiful, because people need to understand in this whole creation and art is we are one thing.
Yeah.
Printing is who we are. Like right now we are dressed by,
are here.
you know, we are here. You can zoom it, we are here.
The
Gatelapele tears, the printing of the shirt. Because normal people.
And this one was printed here.
Now.
Now.
Like now is we do the show.
Now.
Yeah, because people must understand. There's some people, we like to support local brands and local printing. But if the quality doesn't like match my money that I'm popping out, I like to support, but I can't support where I don't get quality.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? You can come up with your brand, but you need to develop so that you can get a proper quality. Because when I see this fabric, this is quality.
Yeah.
You know, this is proper quality. The printing itself, the reflection at the back is lighting. So I like to understand with the printing, I don't get it. What do you call this dimension of printing? Even the light, like.
That one we call it like the reflective vinyl, which is just the vinyl is almost like a piece of paper, which you just like cut it out with the vinyl machine cutter. So yeah, it's a reflective vinyl.
So it's more expensive than a normal printing.
Yeah,
100%.
Definitely.
Because I saw this other workshop they do 3D dimensions printing. Because I feel like you need practice to know how to do that, because this is art. Because even with this, to come up with this vibe, even to this thing, like it's more artistic, the Gatelapele thing, even the print at the back, like it's like print and it's print.
See, when I saw him come with the shades and I saw this, I was like, okay, maybe him liking shades like this is an inspiration to his little so this is thabang with his little hairstyle. You know, that's thabang's head wearing. Am I right?
What's
Not really.
This one? What's
Not really. She actually came up with it. My girlfriend actually came up with it.
Madam, we need to get a proper check for the madam so that he
So
can
she can tell us what she thinks.
tell us what she was thinking when she did it.
It could be her.
Yeah.
Because the madam is more hands-on, she's there behind the scenes and everything. Because I can see there's business, you and the madam is the head and the drive, like you all pushing. Because the time we got here before we shot, we got your madam was doing her thing, there you are doing her thing. So it's quite good to see people who have the same vision in terms, because people don't understand. Even if you can have a relationship, you guys need to have certain common goals and support those goals to see the bigger picture. So what I saw today was quite inspirational, and a lot of kids can learn from a lot of guys like you. In terms of guys, you can like, there's no time for you to chill and be like, I am waiting to be 20 years and be independent and be rich and own my own company, because you need to start this at a young age. So I feel like your story is very impactful. That's why we are even here right now with the Fresh Podcast Friday, capturing this, because I feel like the world needs to learn more about technology and need to understand that we need people like you too in order for us to move in society. Because right now kita arrange printing, and if we want something, we no longer go to. In back days, I used to go there's a place called Kite Science in town. So I used to jump a taxi, go to town, go to do printing and delays. Right now, just do it in my street. You see?
Call away.
Yeah, that's just in my street. So there's development. So even me myself, this is something that it's mind-blowing, because growing up, especially in this environment, even if you can see the parks, the recreation, it's something that's absurd. Things are not proper structured. So to see such structure in such an environment is quite inspirational, because back then, 10 years back, I never thought there could be a printing shop in this kind of vibe and be artistic that can give opportunities to people to come and even do their brand. So what you do and people don't understand, it's not a normal thing that a person can just wake up and do, because this is bigger than your environment yourself. This is printing and this is technology, and with your drive we see the bigger picture.
How old when you started this, like when you realized, okay, this is me, I want to do this?
The first time I started thinking about printing was when I was in grade 9. I was in grade 9.
So you were probably what, 14, 15?
Yeah, 15, 16, somewhere there. Yeah, but at that time it was all about t-shirts. It was like, okay, I just want to like do my own t-shirt brand and everything like that. But when time went, it was okay, nah, cool. I can also do for other t-shirt brands, right? So I can do my t-shirt brand and do for other t-shirt brands. So whereby like it can become a business, right?
Because I think you're one of the most youngest entrepreneurs in our town who's doing in this magnitude, in this corporate. Because just imagine in 5 years to come, your vision and everything, we need more leaders like you in society, because this is something great, and something that we should not turn a blind eye on. Because there's people in society, this guy is doing great things, they don't even honor you for that, another reason why here, because we respect your work, we respect what you do in society. That's the reason we all took time just to come and sit here and do that. So it's very important as a community to appreciate and to honor our one, so that we can be proud of where we come from. Because like when I'm wearing this, what's happening? What's happening? Everyone is asking me, what's this, what's happening? And like I'm representing, this is Gatelapele TS. There's even people from there, that guy we're chilling with, but when go to print up, because they don't have Lisa what in Mokopane. So this is an opportunity to even expand more than even the Pala itself. Because when you go printer, they don't get this. So let it know we're here so that we can get that clientele base, so that we can expand. There is already this printing company. Now with our festivals, we can incorporate it. Learn about the printing thing, because it's not about printing a paper or just a t-shirt.
It's more than that.
So I can
a lot goes.
So the art. So the art, I can see there are paintings, there's drawings. Like who did that? What's up with that?
That's my girlfriend.
She's a painter.
Yeah, she's a painter. She's an artist, a painter.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you do more of exhibitions of the artwork that she does?
Yeah, recently we never did those.
Yeah, because the one we saw here was quite dope. I saw Pearl Trees in an African thing. I wish you can get the camera there, but you'll see it. We'll put it in there. You'll see it. You know, there's a nice Pearl Trees there. I'm still in African thing. It's like nobody wanna know. So that's the vibe. So, but I love what you do, man. So. Like, I see you're very much fan of music in general, because I can see you hang around with artists, hip-hop artists in general. So your love for music, like you love music.
Yeah.
Because you always around, you are a printing person, but most of your friends is a DJ. Or some is a rapper. Almost that. So, but you never been influenced to making music. You just support the culture.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yeah, that's very dope. Because I once had a conversation with him. We wanted to do like a biker thingy. That you use bikes just to give a positive impact to the society. Because biking also is a lifestyle, it's a culture. So everything, because in Tongolungu you can incorporate. We can take that and incorporate with printing. Those things need printing. Understand? Because I love art. Because art makes you to excel. Not expanded to do what you do.
It doesn't. You can do whatever you want to do.
You can do whatever you want.
So with you, Anya, because when it was your first time experience, now it's my second time experience coming here. I just want to hear your thought of what you thought of such a building and such of environment and everything.
Listen, the first time, this is the second time. The first time you took me for a little tour. And thing is with me, when I see a work in progress, I already see the finished product, you know. So when I saw that when he's done here, it's going to be something out of this world. So even coming back here and seeing these, artists, so I look like weird things where a normal person would say, okay, whatever, it's just a picture. For me, it speaks, you know. Reason for him to put that picture there, it says something. So this setup for me, like it's a wahola. Gatelapele, you know, in a sense, we're growing. For me, it's just saying we're growing, we're going somewhere, and it's not just here, we're going far, you know. And now when I see thabang, I just see inspiration. But the fact that he's younger than us, he's young, and he like onahana so. I'm from Mokopane. I'm sorry, but from Mokopane. Guys. They don't think
in that age.
In that age, like they're not even thinking about such things.
Which is sad.
It's sad, you know. All they thinking bombo, like that's it. And for me, it saddens me because that's not what life is all about. 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, you'll be sitting and be like, I've wasted my years. And nobody said, go away, it's a choice at the end of the day. So your choices, I wanted to ask you, Vele, like, what grounded you? Because something needs to ground you for you to be what you are. There's a lot of noises outside, peer pressure, friends going out, drugs, alcohol, all of those things. How are you able to block out all of that and focus on what you want to do and what you are doing and excelling at what you're doing?
Yeah. Being honest, I've been always inspired by people around me, and my brother is also in business as well.
Nice.
And my mom is also in business. So they tell me exactly like what happens throughout the process. Like they tell you, you should hold on, this is what's gonna happen, you should stay strong, right?
Yeah.
So like, that's what happens. So that's the only way I feel like it could be the reason why.
It's a valid point
You are able to.
because the family support structure is very important.
Support is important.
Because if you don't get that, you'll be distracted along the line.
Literally everything you do there.
Everything you do, that will affect your ability to work, even to way forward. Because even in black society, they don't understand that we need to support our kids' dream.
And support is not money.
Yeah.
There's emotional support, there's moral support, there's support in general. And how do you do so in other families? Gonna will be like, yo, I want to do printing. They'll be like, are you crazy? So it's different dynamics. So it's like how you understand it and how you take your thing and how you serious with your art. Because no one never advise anyone to do creative art if you're not serious about it.
Yeah.
Because you'd rather go to work, be a 9-to-5 nigga, and be good, because the art industry and technology and this innovative world is not for the faint-hearted. It's for resilient. You need to be on it 24/7. Even that 2 years is not giving you money, but you just gotta keep pushing. So people don't understand that
Knocking on those doors.
because people believe in quick, instant porridge. Like 2 minutes noodles, overnight success. It doesn't have. For you to be there, you need to start somewhere.
I mean, since at home I go grade
9, dog.
Bro.
So we can do a lot of coaches out there. That's inspirational. You can do. I feel like you can travel a lot with your printing thing to different environment, different route in South Africa. Because your story is inspirational. Because you already have the equipment. All you gotta do is just get the funds, go travel, go to those rural communities in
show
Cape
them
Town,
how it's done.
those rural communities in KwaZulu-Natal, in PE, because there's rural villages in everywhere in the province, in this country. So there's certain places there they need certain workshops of printing and inspiration yourself as the people were more not definitely 99 so because your story is quite inspirational. You should travel a lot more and go all out, because what you did here is going all out in terms of achieving your goals and who you are. Because now I respect what you do, man. Because this is impressive at your age, having a drive, especially growing up in an environment of here, because it's quite toxic of having things, but you chose to just focus and be balanced. That is very being grounded as a person. A lot could learn from that. So this I would like to understand, what is your future plans from now on? What are you gonna do? What we expecting? Like what's open from GTS? Not like those business. Like what is something we should look out for that you are just in the pipeline that we must come and support, because we wanna be there.
Actually, 3 days from now, I'm actually moving to a more commercial space.
You can learn a lot, but guys, learn a lot from thabang.
What did I say?
Learn a lot. You can learn a lot from thabang. Stop looking somewhere for inspiration, guys. Your inspiration is not far from you. Because people say inspiration is just right here. But if you turn your blind eye, you're not going to be inspired. This is inspirational. We're going to commercial space, from research to commercial space. So I want this development, and that development is going to hire local people in the space that is going to create job creation. So we need that in leadership. Not leadership, we don't want that. We want progress. no groove. Everything is just me. So with your company itself, your partner is working with you. Understand? It's job creation in itself at the end of the day. So we love what you do because this is developing our town and our small community, and we feel like in 10 years to come, 5 years to come, we'll be coming and the printing will be like born.
In other words, it will have been incorporated with Madam's art.
Yo.
The t-shirts now would be having
So next time when we come here, we wanna come for the Madam for the art. You wanna see the art.
Pictures that she has in her
The
head.
problem next time you're not gonna be able to find me. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Or 3 days
From now.
Yeah, which I'm like the contract is already signed and everything.
You going?
I'm moving. I was probably supposed to move today.
Then you just wanna chill.
Yeah, I just wanted to chill and take this podcast.
No, man. Thank you for your time. Thank you for respecting us, for even coming here and share this moment, because it's beautiful to see growth. Like I wanna grow them not like to see people develop and achieving something. Because people don't understand this thing is not a competition. Because people don't understand, like you need to be people. If you need to go somewhere, you need to be inspired. You can't go somewhere if you don't inspired. Like people don't understand. And inspiration, you can go from this inspiration to that inspiration. He was inspired from someone to dream to be there, and someone can be inspired from him to dream and be somewhere. Like it's ABC, guys. If you want inspiration, check thabang. If you want to be good, thabang. Because can do to buy. But if you go pretend t-shirt, stop like watching brow. You know what I mean. So now we love your time that you gave us. And we appreciate it for the shanties one addressed by the Gatelapele as the printing expert. Now we wish you all the best in your commercial space and next time when we go to the we be more inspired, but never give up, just keep going, and the world we see you. If they act like they don't know, they know. You know, because it's right in your face. It's here. When I tell this GT, when I tell this GT, when I tell this GT, this is visible enough because it's printing is visible. Now we respect that and push it. And before that, where can people get in touch with you on socials and stuff like that?
On social media, on Facebook, I'm Thabang Molekwa, and on only on Facebook at the moment, but probably gonna get Instagram tomorrow. And then I'm probably gonna
everything is now. If you want like anything, we're probably gonna get a chopper tomorrow. Like we're gonna fly. Like this. I love this. You know, we took like we were from another shoot. Like we wanted to come here. Exhausted as we are, but this is something that we couldn't let go. We had to come here and be like, let's pull through, make this happen, so that we can show the world if they need inspiration.
Yes, sir.
Look at Thabang. It's like that Google Bee stuff. Google Bee. Then you'll find Thabang. Everything that we need on our side will holla. Don't be afraid, one family. Fresh Friday podcast, Lepalani TV, we shouted it out, Pimps Media, GTS Printing, and Anyonyo, we printed it out, shut it out.